Good evening, everyone. Jack here. Excited to be here with the fifth week of the Freaky Draft League. This week we're going up against Alex, person who introduced me to this nice community of Pokemon players, and really just a great person themselves, and a great battler, great prepper, putting most of their energy into draft during this VGC off season, so to speak. So I'm a little worried about getting my butt kicked, but that is okay. I've got a team for you. We're gonna break it down. I'm just doing this just to get to the team. So I'll click view details. I'm sorry about my mic situation last time. I hope it's not that bad this time. But here's a team. We've got a couple different things going on. The main mode that I think is going to be the strongest is this Samurott mode. Alex's team, I think, matches up really well into mine. Alex has got Rain, which I don't like. Mega Mawile can be a major problem, especially under Trick Room. Alex also has just a lot of Pokemon that can take one hit and basically OHKO my guys back, which I really don't appreciate. So I think the name of the game will be, can I outdamage Alex or outlast Alex? Which I guess is the name of the game in all Pokemon battles ever. But the main idea, or the bottom two Pokemon, we've got Gentle, the Hisuian Samurott, and T-Tor, spelled correctly this time. Sorry, Tanner. The Diggersby. Diggersby kind of has a customized moveset in order to hit most of the things on Alex's team for solid, if not super effective, OHKOing level damage. Samurott is equipped with a Choice Scarf and is here to click Icy Wind, pretty much. So the idea is we're going to get off a cheeky little Icy Wind, hopefully outspeed most things that Alex will throw my way, and then have the Diggersby get a big attack off onto something. Start the battle off that way. Hopefully I can use Mega Medicham or Delphox along with Whimsicott to clean up in the back. Or use something to clean up in the back. And then game 2, go to a Corviknight mode, using Corviknight and... do I want Body Press? I didn't even think about it, but Body Press may be better than... Body Press may be better than Iron Head in this spot. It also might not be. But... yeah, I might regret not running Body Press. What things don't want Brave Bird? I don't want to Brave Bird the Mawile. That's kind of it. So low-key Body Press would be better. Can I change that super quickly? I'm going to change that super quickly. I don't think Alex will mind. Wait. So I am going to change that super quickly. Sorry. Making a last second team change. But yeah, those are the two main modes. I've got coaching. The Corviknight's bulk up, but I've also got coaching on the Medicham in order to boost up the Corviknight. If I can find said Corviknight. Duck. This could be our start player. So yeah, I've got Medicham to coaching and boost it up. Medicham has a bunch of coverage moves to hit a bunch of different guys, as well as Whimsicott with the Light Screen to hopefully shore up some of the really strong special damage that Alex may throw my way. So that's kind of what I'm working with. No, not Sunny Day. You all heard me say Body Press. I want Body Press. I thought Iron Head would be better, and then I could non-invest, but honestly, I want Corv to be bulky anyway, so this is a fine change. then I'm gonna hop back into Champions. I'm hoping that none of my tech crap's out, because I've been having a hard time, just like outside of Pokemon stuff with the tech. The like mic problem last week definitely doesn't help my confidence. We're gonna hop in. We're gonna see whenever Alex is ready to go. I may stop the recording until then, unless Alex says they're ready. He's ready soon. But yeah, that's pretty much the team I'm working with. I feel very nervous about this matchup. I feel like the prep ended up coming out about as fine as it was going to, but I don't know. I'm starting big change in life, and this matchup was not as straightforward. I didn't see as many clear, easy weaknesses in Alex's team. It's just incredibly well built, and like the specific things that are well built, I feel like make my team specifically harder to expose. Like the Whimsicott can't take as much. Again, the things that I have a harder time. The things that I have a harder time knocking out are the heavier hitting things. But I'm super excited. Alex is really fun to play. So I'm just hoping I can give him a run for his money. In best case scenario, we come out 4-1. In worst case scenario, we had a good match. I hope we have a good match. So let's get to it. What do I see? I see the Mawile, Glowking, Lycanroc. So I see a Trick Room mode and I see a Fast mode. What don't I see? I don't see Crocodile. I don't see... I see both Megas. I do not see... I shouldn't be focusing so much on what I don't see. No Chestnut, no Motom! No Motom. And no Salazzle! Okay, no Fake Out. No opposing Fake Out, which is great. I'm gonna go with my original plan. I'm bringing this guy because Mawile under Trick Room is a problem. And then, so this is my, like, anti-slow mode guy. I feel like after this I want... a fighter. I want a fighter. And I feel like Medicham might be that fighter just because I don't have any anti-rain stuff without it. So let's try this. I don't feel great about this, but again, this whole matchup, I don't feel great about. I'll feel better when Alex shows their hand a little bit. Good luck, have fun. I'm gonna stop saying good luck because I need it. Glowking. Here we go. Here's the Glowking. Here's the Araquanid Glowking angle. I kind of almost want to... Like, I know I should take out the Glowking, but I kind of want to just, like, KO this guy. Is that crazy? Because if he gets Trick Room up, he gets Trick Room up. And, like, I'll switch and I'll do what I need to do. But if I don't KO the bug, then it becomes a big problem. Okay, we get a Night Slash off. It's going to do, like, 50%. Can you land it? Thank you. Land the Stone Edge into the bug. Ugh, okay, Araquanid down. So here comes the Trick Room mode, I'm sure. Yep. And now we've got 4 turns of this madness. I brought Samurott, Diggy. Here comes Pelipper. So right, what does this mean? It means I wish I had a... It means I wish I had a fake out on my guy. But right now, like, Glow King isn't doing a lot. But I need to do some damage to it if I want to take it out later. So let's Night Slash it and Protect. At least force it out. Here comes the Weather Ball. Weather Ball. Glow King we saw had... Oh, Glow King... or... Pelipper is Hurricane. Woo! Okay, and Glow King is Weather Ball. And TR. No Colbur, no the other thing. Okay. I don't want to just leave this in and keep attacking. Is that crazy to me? And let's... I have 3 more turns of this Trick Room. Yeah. I need to protect... I need to save the Protect guy. It's really bad. But that's what I need to do if I want to get through these turns. Glow King goes for the Weather Ball into the Samurott. Is it going to get the KO? It does not. You're just going to go for Muddy Water. You're going to miss the Core. Okay. That I feel could have been worse. So, what do I want to do now? There are 2 more turns of Trick Room. I'm going to have to sack off 1 more guy, essentially. And part of me wants it to be because Diggersby's not going to... Diggersby's whatever. Let's go for Protect and let's hit a Roost. I just can't let them both die this turn, I think. So this Trick Room mode might just be too much for me. And if it is, that's how it is, quite frankly. It is too much for me, that's just how it is. So Diggersby's gonna go for Protect. You do see Muddy Water on the Pelipper. How much are you doing? You're not doing much. Okay, good. Muddy Water comes back out. If you Mirror Armored a thing, that would be cool. If you Mirror Armored a drop, I would be super happy. But, you know, you don't have to listen to what I want either. It's okay. I'm not important here. We did see the Pelipper slower than... Pelipper's reduced speed than the, than Corv. So I can go for a double Protect, or I can swap into Metacham. Which I think is a risky play, but is it worth it? It's not worth it because I, like, want to save Metacham, so, like, it's fine. There's also only 2 more turns of Raid. Let's bulk up. Ugh, I get the double Protect on the Diggersby. That's slay. I got a Weather Ball into Corv. Do I get a second Weather Ball into the Corv? That would suck. Muddy Water comes out. Yep. I'm gonna bulk up. Cool. And now it's Operation Don't Let the Glow King get an attack off. So I'm just gonna High Horsepower. I'm gonna High Horsepower. I'm not gonna reveal the other thing, and I'm gonna Roost. And they can save whatever they want, but this means that Pelipper's out of water in a turn, which is fine. I think maybe I should have just protected, because then I could get a double hit off, which is fine. You do see the Shuka on the guy. Okay, cool. Shuka Berry. Okay. See the Shuka come out from the guy. We see the Life Orb proc. We should see the Roost come out next. Yep, okay, good. We're gonna see the Muddy Water hit both. Probably take out Diggersby though. Diggersby, you did everything you needed to and more. Take a nice fat rest. And we lower the accuracy with Mirror Armor. Yep, that was to be expected. Cool. So if I can, I'd like to win this battle without revealing coaching. That's my next goal. If Mawile's the guy that comes out, I think I can do that. Yep, here they are. Okay. We're going to Mega Evolve, and we're going to Thunder Punch, and we're going to bulk up. Is this what I want? Yeah. Because I think I can outpace this Mawile with just a guy. I also didn't see Intimidate. No Intim. On the Mawile. The Mawile's obviously slower than me, which makes a lot of sense. I want to see if this Pelipper's Sash, which is part of the reason why I'm Thunder Punching. Pelipper does have Helping Hand. What is this Mawile chucking my way? Thunder Punch comes out. No Sash. Helping Hand. No Sash. Cool. Duke is going to go for Bulk Up. Ugh, yes, yes. Beat players with their Pokemon. Oh! Live! Duke kind of took that like a champ, guys. Duke kind of cooked. Okay, now we're just going to close combat. I'm going to Roost, because I think that's the way I win. That, like, did 50%. Why'd that do so much? Like, what? Woo! Close combat does not kill the Mawile. But the Corv is also faster than the Mawile. Okay, cool. And Play Rough misses? Oh, I'm sorry. I'm sorry, Alex. Okay. So Corviknight didn't get a single kill, but it basically shored up the win. So, let's go for the body press. Mawile, I saw T-Punch and Play Rough. Okay, good first match with Alex. What do I want to do game 2? That was tough. That was tough. I don't know what I want to do game 2. Because I think the Corviknight move isn't even bad. I don't know if Alex is gonna think the Trick Room mode was bad enough not to lead with it. Quite honestly. I do think that the Icy Wind stuff could still catch Alex off guard. And I believe that Alex might switch it up to a fast mode. Like, I feel like Alex is going to be like, Corv is a problem. But Alex doesn't have a lot of great other special guys. I kind of want to just do the same. Well, the Diggersby getting a double protect was a problem. I do like the ability of being able to set up light screen for another guy. I don't know if... Let me think this through. You can stall out the rain. Whimsicott can take a water attack. Am I really leaving behind both Megas? Like, I feel like having the Megas is what got me through, but having light screen also would have been okay. Yeah, because Gorpsica can take a hit and I can preserve Samurai. This is a crazy play. But I think Alex is going to adjust, and I don't think the mode I got its full potential. To my point, he didn't he? I feel like I'm about to catch the finest of close combats. Do I just take out dog? I think I do, because worst comes to worst, you set up Trick Room again. That's like fine. Let's go for it. So I see the Glow King. And I see a Glow King, and I see Lycan Rock. I get the Icy Wind off. Bada bing, bada boom. Does very little to both guys, but it should let me outspeed and miss the high horsepower. Okay. Well, I guess I didn't need the Samurott at that point. Okay, cool. Cool. Do I get the Trick Room off? It's Life Orb. Okay. So I can't use this strategy next game. Yeah, that sucks. So that's pretty stinko. I want to be honest to myself. I've not had the best luck this season. I'll be the first to say it. And usually I try not to claim that. Because I also don't think this battle is lost. I think now you have a Lycanroc in Trick Room, which is not super great, but was it me? Did I do something wrong? You know, I did use 2 90% accurate moves. It's just ugh. If I had a nickel for every time I missed high horsepower. Okay. Samu, Dig, Ersby, Harak, Glow King, and Pelipper came last game. Okay, so Tor 1 for Protect. Get the Chilling Reception off. Okay. Chilly Reset. Cool. And Pelipper comes out. Okie dokie. Corv is still slower, even with the -1. That's good. And Dash Point goes for a Rock Slide. Cool. I feel like now I can body press this thing and swap here. Take the Moon Blast off. What are you switching out into? You're switching into the thingy. Okay, cool. Gorpsicat. How much are we doing? We're not doing no damage. How much are we doing? Something. Let's take it. Take it to the bank. Take it to the bank. Okay. I'm gonna click Roost because I need this Trick Room to go away. And I want 2 light screen. After this light screen goes up, Gorpsicat can go down. Gorpsicat did its job if this goes down. So what do I see? I see a Glow King, I see a Lycanroc, I see a Mawile. Yeah, this is gonna be an uphill battle. Corv wins. I didn't even feel like I brought the wrong 4, quite honestly. Glow King, Lycanroc, Mawile, Pelipper. Mawile. Here comes the light screen. Cool. Play rough into the Warpsicott, takes me out. Okay. Well, Focus Sash wouldn't have helped. But now I get 8 turns of light screen, which is actually pretty good. How many turns of Trick Room? Only 1 turn of Trick Room. What if I Brave Bird and I... Protect. Are you gonna double into the... guy? It's so easy for you to Weather Ball and Thunder Punch. Right? But I think I'm in control still. I think this is still okay. Pelipper being alive is a problem. Lycanroc being alive, like, isn't actually that big of a problem, but, like... Let's see. Did you go for Weather Ball into Corp and Thunder Punch into Corp? Because then I just feel silly. That doesn't do a lot, which is good. Yeah, I should have just attacked. Fooey. I'm gonna get the Brave Bird off. Certainly helps, unless I get KO'd in the process. Woo! Living. Twisted Dimensions return to normal. Rain's only 1 more turn. I'm gonna Roost, and I'm gonna... High Horsepower into the... This guy? I feel like a switch... Well... I feel like this is the guy that can KO me, right? Like, it's the obvious play, but... Even still, it's not a bad play. If I can pick up the KO, yeah. Are you gonna switch to Pelipper? Because then you don't get the rain, which is, like, fine. You're gonna sack the Lycanroc. There we go, Diggersby. Well done. And you're gonna attack with Mawile because you're a good player. Because you're a good player, honestly. Hopefully Tanner can take 1. I'm not, like, super hopeful. And I think it's just gonna be too much damage for... Take 1, take 1, take 1. Yeah. I needed to go after Mawile that turn. I needed to not play so obviously. But also, like... Alex played that very well from end to end, so, like, I can't be that mad. I'm not that mad. Here comes the Glow King. Yep. I'm just gonna, like, light stream. I'm just gonna bulk up. That's what I meant to say. It's Joe Mama Beach. Joe Mama Beach. Yep. I'm thinking about the next game. Assuming that there's a next game. Like, I just gotta get damage off, right? See how much we do. 160 down to 117. 117 down to... Oh, it's too much. I should have roosted. That might help. I feel like this Brave Bird's gonna do me in. We do see the citrus on the die. Okay, that's helpful. I feel like Weather Ball just does it now. I guess I should have roosted. Not my cleanest game, but... Alex playing it like a pro. Corv, you got me? You got me, Corv? Now. Okay. And off high horsepower miss, we're going to game 3. Nah, that's not true. Again, that's not true. I'm being salty. I'm being salty. Thing is, I don't even feel like that game plan was wrong per se. But maybe I take my foot off the Diggersby stuff. The problem is that Diggersby is the only like. So if you lead Lycanroc again, or even if you lead Araquanid, like. What if I just lead these two? Like, is that crazy? Is that actually super crazy? Diggersby's kind of been MVP and then guy in the back? Like, is it crazy to do this? Like, Delphox is only bad if... What if I did this? Is that crazy? Let's try it. Sure. I like Steel World A where you don't need Lycanroc again, because that game 1 setup was... or that turn 1 setup was really bad for me. Lycanroc didn't do anything. And I think Sunny Day is, like, fine. So you bring out the Araquanid again. Okay, yeah, fair enough. Fair ball. Please work. Thank you. What do I do? What do I do? What do I do? Trick Room's going up. There's not a lot for me to stop it. Unless you want to just get the Sludge Bomb off now. Which would be interesting. Here comes Liquidation. It does a lot of damage. Oof. I think I'm about to get rolled by this Araquanid. Yeah, I am, because there's nothing I can do to stop it. Who's least valuable member? Who's least valuable? I think... Glow King, I'm still missing a move. But do I really think it's Sludge Bomb? Like, I genuinely don't. Like, could be. Ugh, Sludge Bomb just hits everything neutrally. Like, I think Diggersby's the one who has to go. Ring Pelipper. Oh, I could have just Sunny Day'd. Okay. Guys, I could have just Sunny Day'd. Ah, shoot. Yeah, just take it, go. Take it. Ugh, I overthought it. I'm in shambles. How much are we doing here? You might not have Weather Ball, I see. I'm not seeing a Weather Ball. So let's Sunny Day. Roost up. Won't you help me roost up? Growing up, it made me numb. And I wanna feel something again. Sunny Day, yep. This is gonna do still a lot. Like what? Crit. Silly me. Oi. Oi. Oi, Alex. Oi. See, another thing is you're definitely just gonna... Let's Moonblast here, because I know you're going out. I guess I Brave Bird in case you do something weird. Are you not going to KO the thing? Is Rakuen going to live this? No, it doesn't. And since it didn't, I made, like, the worst play. Oh, jeez. Okay. Oh, this last battle was so bad. I just wasn't in it. You guys, my heart wasn't in it. That's too bad. This is like the worst case scenario of what I imagine like in my prep. So, I mean, again, Alex played fantastically. Can't be mad about that. Ugh. Like even without that third game crit though, I would have made it. I would have had a Brave Bird out on the guy. So it's just tough. This is where you Weather Ball the. This is where you Weather Ball the Whimsicott and probably liquidate it too, right? Because why not? Because it's a good play. Yeah. It's not gonna kill. Yeah, okay. Crit again! Dude! 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 Why you do me like that, dude? Dude, why you doing me like that? What's my way of winning? Okay, here's my way of winning. First things first, you reset up Trick Room. I'm at least gonna get to kill this bug, I think. Oh my god. I didn't even Moonblast it! Okay, I'm out. I don't know why I didn't Moonblast it either, I just was so sure the Psyshock would kill. But you liquidated the Araquanid. It doesn't matter, because you're gonna reset the rain. Oy, okay, nice little 4-0. I'm a little bummed. I don't know, I thought that battle was going okay. And you Weather Balled. I'm a little bummed because I thought it was going okay. But whatever that may. But looks can be deceiving. Are you gonna let me take this KO? I feel like you shouldn't. Oh, thank you. Yeah, I feel like I'm just letting it play out now. That just stung. I don't know. I feel like I could have played that last game better. I knew my Trick Room answers were kind of few and far between, and I kind of let myself Trick Room. I don't know. I also felt like, and the Dragonite's still on the back too. It's a cool adjustment. Yeah, I don't know. Let Pelipper or Dragonite take the kill. I don't need to go crazy about it. Suika. Wonder if this Dragonite has Weather Ball too. That'd make a lot of sense, I think. Yeah. If that had Hurricane, that'd be kind of funny. I don't even think Delphox would die to a Hurricane. How much damage are we doing? 45. Not enough. Defeated by a Pelipper. I guess that's to be expected. Well, GG's to Alex. Again, Alex played very, very well. Despite my defeatist tone, Alex played super well, prepped super well. Trick Room was definitely a weakness of this team and of the way I built it, and Alex took full advantage of that, which is really, really awesome. But good games to Alex. Hopefully we can bounce back next week. We're 3-2. Still in fine position for playoffs, but we'll see if that gets me, if we can make it this season. All right. Thank you all so much. Have a great night.